hours, we'll get it done. We have to follow the rules. Everybody got to follow the rules, like it or not, you know.
I work hard to the Hey.
am na ku xandam di taxaw fii su gisee ñu ngi fompo façon mag sàmmi suñ tànkam bi rek ngay gis soo xoolee si
All right, thank you. Bro, I'll put that with you. What?
Léegi ñoo commencé leen di paak bi
wall, build a house, any kind of encroachment is considered as illegal. So vitamin C level of okay, thank you. B, come on, hello, bro. Hello, yeah, so
I've already started doing
So what we want to advise you is currently ready to stop all operation. Nga try Geneva sa canopy roofing nga Geneva within 24 hours. We can give you that. Understand? Nga try comply with the particular conditions. Yes. Thank you.
Side bi boutique per kanam la.
So léegi nga jël 24 hours pour nga oo kafe ndax ñu dina yaa ngi kër gi fii la am tudd
In case of night.
no problem waaw su ko defee loolu fii la moo am
Waaw mu ngi nii fence baa ngi.
waaye bii nii tam da nga war a génne
Waaw xam naa.
ok
Mu ngi ñëw yi yëpp ñu génne ko.
ok thank you
Today, and she's just waiting on me. I appreciate you guys. You guys have a wonderful day. May Allah bless you guys and enjoy your holiday. I'm here for vacation from Atlanta, Georgia. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Actually, we also going to appreciate your word of encouragement. This is what it takes to take to.
That's right, that's right.
Right.
For another step.
And this is a national development. Those so unfortunate. Sometimes, you know the nature of the job. You see people taking it passionate.
That's right.
But as you rightly mentioned it, if you don't do it, nobody will come from outside to do it for us. We have to take the responsibility.
And the roads are tight.
Very well.
You understand what I'm saying? It's tight. How can you go? You got the cars here, you got the people here. It's not safe. You know, Banjul is a beautiful country. You understand what I'm saying? Us coming over here, this is ours. Like I said, when I went to America, some of these people are not even born. Since 1981. And I get so proud when I come back home. You understand what I'm saying? Just keep on doing what you're doing. You're going to hear some negative. Don't let it bother you. Do your job. Everybody got to do your job. You know, that's how the world's going to keep on going. But like I said, I appreciate you guys. I don't want to be on video.
No.
I'm talking about him.
No, but, but to be candid enough, this kind of words
Yes.
need to be captured. So
Which
that
is true,
everybody-
but it's just the way that I dress.
It's
I
okay.
don't want
It's
that.
okay.
I don't want
It's
that.
okay. It need to be captured so that everybody, being Gambians, non-Gambians, people here in this country, even outside,
Yeah.
we have an understanding
Yes.
of what we are doing.
Yes.
It is not for us personally.
That's
Or
right.
It is not for Adam
Just
Barrow.
doing your
But
job.
thank you very much.
Adam Barrow is doing his job. You understand what I'm saying? I applaud him. I don't have no problem. Everything is doing well. You understand what I'm saying?
Thank you so much.
Like my aunt said, inshallah, you guys give us 24 hours. We'll get it done. We have to follow the rules.
Thank you very much.
Everybody got to follow the rules,
Thank you.
like it or not.
Thank
You know,
Thank you so much.
if I wanted to say, hey, I want the climate to be cold right now, I mean, I can't have it. You know, you guys are doing your job, and I applaud you guys. I applaud the president and whoever's working for the president, and for you guys for doing what you guys are doing. I know it's hot out here, but just job well done. Thank you. Okay, I appreciate you guys.
We are saying like you guys told them to remove their things. So nobody came here to tell us that you guys will be
We didn't
So-
ask anybody to remove their stuff. The
They
government.
told us that
No,
you
wait,
guys
wait,
told
no.
them to remove the
Those,
stuff.
that's an hearsay. Are they authorities? They are not authorities, of course. The government has responsibility already since September to give a press release that whoever is occupying the road should kindly try and move. That's only notice they give. And you're going to be telling me that I don't hear that notice. Fine. But you have been seeing or hearing people saying that the transport members are clearing the road reserve. Not so. Thank you very much. So this is an activity that sister said we are going to remove it. You have to remove it now and today. Because we only gave you 24 hours that you have to comply. Failure of which, you take the full responsibility. Thank you.
You know, we are waiting for you guys to come so that you will tell us where exactly
Okay. That's what you want to know
Yeah.
from that pillar there. See that last pillar there?
Yeah.
That's why you stop your stops. Anything beyond is on the road and if it has to be removed. Thank you.
they will remove it.
Boy, let's come on.
We are still on the Operation Clary Road here at Kololi Tavern, clearing every extension being made by the landowners or compound owners here in Kololi Tavern. Mbokk yi comme noo leen ko gisee rek ñu ngi nii di si Operation Clary Road di génne li nga xamante ne nii moo nekk borom kër yi di def extension ak ñi nga xamante ne jaaykat yi nekk si mbedd bi nii di fi jaay si kaw yoon bi nii nga xamante ne nii nguur gi joxut leen ko wala mayut leen ko joxut leen droit buñ koy defee so si loolu la ñuy nekk ni di leen génne si yoon bi pour rek mun a am tali bu yaatu mbandingol comme ka fa mbe janne Operation Clary Road ka feŋol mi ye a lon ko abe mano kan ka be bondi silo kan mi ye a lon ko moma mansa ko na man droit de la pour ye nin bo be kijang viewers, we are here at Kololi Tavern, still on the Operation Clary Road, clearing every extension being made by the compound owners on the street, on the highway, clearing everything. Mbokk yi ñu ngi nii fii nii Kololi Tavern fi nga xamante ne nii moo nekk Operation Clary Road di génne extension yi nga xamante ne maanaam néeg yi nga xamante ne nii borom kër yaa ko def si seen bunti kër yi di si jox nit yi ñuy luwaas di si def seen business yi si kaw tali bi nguur gi doxaloon nii nii jox droit police yi nii rek pour génnee bagage yi nii si kaw tali bi nii. su dee yéen a ngi seetaan yéen a ngi nii di seetaan GamTube, you still watching GamTube, and if you are just tuning in, please subscribe, like, share, and to know more, please leave your comment on the comment section. And on the comment section, please tell us what you think about this Operation Clary Road.